This is a Dollar Tree poem, part of the series. Basically, the story behind it is I was driving north on I-5 from southern Oregon, and probably somewhere around Cottage Grove, I saw a cougar on the side of the road, a roadkill. And so this is an attempt, well, it's just a reaction, a response, a theme and variation on the Dollar Tree series. So here we go. It's called a Cougar's Death Dream on a blizzard shadowed road. Cub's paw and press, growling, purr, wrestle closer in for muzzle and milk. Ferny creek moss willows stalk through canyon. Gully blades, reined trees tinted from branch. Rock jag and flat along the Umpqua, greeny smell watered. Fir madrone, pine scrub, oak underbrush, or meadow musked with hoofy praise lay tender, grassy beds rich. The cat dreams, swift and slow. Paws twitch as legs stride or jerk with crawl through a creep or sudden or deathly. Grown now, mated, she littered, her own vie and play and dream. Her eyes goldish, speckle suns, aged by hunt and the fallen, brought down by power, power hooked, ease of claws, hook of tooth, easy. Might of clinch, then perfect rip, the jaw calm, with wise instinct, strong and awful youth. Shadow always, ghost only in passing prints, leavings like breath, over snow. Deer moving down from high country, they drift lower, careless of cars. 2 mountain lions, all food, cold, frozen scarcer. After fall of flake, in sudden whiteout pelting, brief after dusk when it happened, road coated dark white. Crossing bounded a branch snap of light, almost never seen, hardly heard. The cat is caught by a machine that sees but won't stop. Gold eyes stare into 15-ton light. Midbound, broken, blood colors darker the muzzle. Blonde around the eyes, but a death dream. A ball, growl, kitten once more, first snow. God, even roadkill, this face has majesty commanding love, caution, still. In the blizzarding bled, stopped heavy, drag her to rest, on the shoulder, snow now. Dusting back against forest, paws clawless, point to the road, skidded wheels white and dark.